Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will start here image and video tag. So let's start. Create a file. So last class we saw that font and mercury tag. So right now I will teach you that image and video. I have created a file here. Image and video. Okay, so I will open with the live server. It open with the live server, right? Image and video, that is the title. So right now what we will do here, so I want some background color. Which color? Pink. Okay, tomato. It's not coming. Lime green. Okay, it is the lime green background color. So I want h1 tag. Welcome to my images. So I want center, so I have to give here center tag. Center. Okay, I want color change. So how do I change here? I will use the font. I will give here font close, font open, font close. Okay, so I want to change this. So designing text format. So this is the simple text format. Okay, I want change some. See, I want to open here, notepad. Go to the format, font. What type of style you want to choose? This type of. Okay, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Close here. Okay, I want color change here. Color. Can I give here blue? Okay, or orange. I can give orange also here. No, it is not looking good. Yellow. Not good. Pink is good. Gray, okay. Okay. Or I can give red. Okay. Now, so what I can do here, if I will write here background color, busy background. If I will give here background image means big image will come here. So I don't want big image. I want not background image, I want foreground image, so small image. So how? I have to take here image tag. So doesn't have closing tag. src a dot jpg. Okay, this inside the image folder. Okay, see what big image is coming. So I want to give the width I want to give 250. Okay, so I want to give some 5 image. v.jpg. next c.jpg. next p.jpg. and next p.jpg. okay, 1 2 3 4 5 image. So what I want to use the marquee tag. marquee tag I want to use here. Okay, see it is moving. Image is moving right now. It is very slowly moving image. So I want to move the image faster. Here what I will use scroll amount. Okay, scroll amount 50. Oh, moving very fast. 20 is okay. So image is moving. I will copy it again. I want to paste it here. See, double image is coming here. I don't want double, so image moving one side. I want to move it opposite direction. So how I will do that? Direction up. See, I want here direction down. Okay, speed is very, I need to reduce some speed limit high. This move is slowly upside up and downside down. Okay, next I will give video. H1 video, my video. I want here font what here, paste here. Next one is face. I want to give face sans serif. Okay, and size is 7. See, it is very big. 6. Okay, and change the color red. Okay, I want to use the video tag here. Video src. I have a video here, 1.mp4. Okay, that is the big video. So what I need to do that with and give 50% half screen. Okay, I'm unable to play this video, so I want to use control screw. Now playing video play option will come. See, hello everyone, welcome to my web page. See, this is the video play option, play button. I want this video will be mute, not mute, right? It will come with mute, muted, true. See, it came with muted. So I want loop. When video will be end, that time again restart. Loop true. Everyone, okay, I want to move faster. Okay, see, so automatically restarting. Hello everyone. Okay, next I want to give poster, that means thumbnail. Here a big thumbnail will come, because it is when I am opening the browser, only black screen is coming, right? So I don't want that black screen. It will come on thumbnail. Poster mg a.jpg. See, it came with the thumbnail, one screen. Okay, so play here. Touch and move opposite. We can make it big and we can make it small. Okay. Thank you all. This is the image and this is the image and video tag we have completed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.